Porsche unveils one-of-a-kind Panamera Turbo Sonderwunsch in Shanghai. Individuality is the ultimate luxury, and Porsche is catering to customers seeking bespoke vehicles with its Sonderwunsch program for unique creations. The latest example is a new Panamera Turbo Sonderwunsch, a one-of-a-kind iteration of the brand's luxury sedan unveiled at the Panamera's world debut in Shanghai. This model exemplifies the customization possibilities of the Sonderwunsch service, from personal consultations to specialized paint jobs to customized interiors. It features a striking two-tone exterior blending a specially formulated purple paint called Leblon Violet Metallic into black on the lower third of the body. Tinted headlights, bronze tailpipes, and blacked-out trim continue the upscale theme. The clear coat incorporates gold flakes for added depth and luxury feel. Subtle pinstripes in an exclusive green hue called Avium Metallic incorporate the Sonderwunsch logo. That vibrant accent shade also appears on the wheel rims and window frames. The personalized badging on the rear continues the attention to detail. While the exterior is finished, Porsche has left the interior blank as inspiration for customers to design their own bespoke cabin. This Panamera serves as a showcase for the expansive flexibility of the Sonderwunsch program to meet the wildest dreams of its most elite clientele. The special edition model is based on the new plug-in hybrid Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid, so performance matches the distinctive aesthetic. Output from the twin-turbo 4-liter V8 and electric motor totals a substantial 690 horsepower and 642 pound-feet of torque, delivered to all four wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Porsche's Sonderwunsch customization service has been resurrected to offer new levels of exclusivity. Unique creations like this Panamera demonstrate the lengths the brand will go to for customers seeking one-of-a-kind vehicles tailored to their exact specifications. It sets the bar high for personalization and attention to detail. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.